How do I write my name in alphanumeric characters?
Welcome everyone! Today, we're going to unravel an interesting concept, converting your name into alphanumeric characters. Now, you might be wondering, what are alphanumeric characters? Well, they simply refer to the set of numbers, 0, 9, and letters, both uppercase and lowercase a to z.
What does writing my name in alphanumeric characters mean?
When we talk about writing your name in alphanumeric characters, it typically means representing your name using the letters A to Z, and numbers 0, 9. Since your name likely already consists of alphabetic characters, we are essentially already doing this. However, you might be interested in further alphanumeric conversions such as ASCII codes, Morse code, or other methods. In this context, let's focus on the standard alphanumeric format using just A to Z, and 0 to 9.
How to write your name in alphanumeric characters?
Writing your name in alphanumeric characters is straightforward if your name only contains letters from the alphabet. Simply write your name as it is. For example, if your name is John Doe, you would write it as John Doe. If you want to include numbers, you could opt for a method like replacing certain letters with visually similar numbers. For example, you could replace I with 1, E with 3, or O with 0. Let's apply this to our example. If we wanted to represent John Doe using this method, it could look something like J0HND03. However, keep in mind that this is just a playful modification and not a universally recognized system of alphanumeric representation.
What if my name contains special characters?
If your name contains special characters or letters from non-Latin alphabets, the process gets a bit trickier. You would need to find a standard way to transliterate these characters into the Latin alphabet, which would be suitable for alphanumeric representation. So there you have it. Converting your name into alphanumeric characters is a simple process for names in the Latin alphabet. You can have some fun with it by creatively using numbers to represent certain letters. Remember that these conversions are primarily for fun or stylistic choices and might not be understood in formal situations. I hope this video has been informative and intriguing for you. Stay curious and keep exploring.